welcome you all with my love and respects. He says, when the chitta vritti nirodha, when cessation of mind happens, it results in relaxation into one's own true nature of limitlessness and total understanding. The other day, I had opportunity to sit with a great research scholar who is doing research in the ancient civilization which existed in India. I can say that is the Indian civilization is the oldest living civilization. It is oldest and still living. His researchers, his name is D.K. Hari, I was shocked to see the way in which the intelligence is expressed in the Indian civilization, not just with enlightenment science, the aircrafts, the houses, in the architecture, in the field of building dams, bridges, is proving very clearly the Ganga river is man-made. Something like few thousands of years ago, man-made river was built and man-made bridges on the ocean was built. The amazing understanding, clarity, experience expressed, something like 42 varieties of aircrafts have been built, all thousands of years before, something like 8,000 to 9,000 years before. I was shocked. I thought, how could they have so much of clarity, understanding and intelligence? In the meditation field, they did a big research and developed the science of enlightenment. This I can understand. But how could they do so much in the outer world? When I myself dive deep into the yoga, into this consciousness, I understood when there is no thought, when you are in your nature, you have limitless energy and true understanding about everything. That is what here Patanjali says. Limitlessness and total understanding. Any direction you can direct your consciousness, you will have clarity about that truth. You will have total understanding in that direction. Like things will be waiting to reveal itself to you. Things will be waiting to reveal its mysteries to you. All you need, just look in. You will see, it reveals all its mysteries to you. You are able to connect with it and receive all the informations, secrets, mysteries. It is just like downloading. It's just like downloading. If you are a yogi, if you are a thoughtless, in your thoughtless zone, anything, just bring your awareness, that restful awareness, that is what Patanjali calls samyama, restful awareness. If you direct your restful awareness towards the direction, you know it. I have seen Indian yogis. I had the fortune of living at the feet of many Indian yogis. They just master anything. I have seen a yogi, one devotee brought him very complicated electronic mechanism. I think it's a MP3 player. Neither he knows English, nor he has handled these electronic equipments. If he knows English, we can say, he would have read the button play, here, fast forward, and all those things. He knows nothing. But I could see very clearly, the moment he picked up the machine, picked up the item, he started handling it perfectly as if he is living with it. I asked him, what is this? How can this be, sir? How can this be, Swami? He said, I may not know this machine, but I know how the whole system works, how the whole thing is getting operated, how the whole thing functions. It's very difficult for us to understand. It's very difficult for us to understand. I have seen yogis playing with the power of the mind, with the power of energy. See, they can just create sound wave and do what they want. One yogi, Raghupati Yogi, who taught me yoga, anything you want to do, he will just only create a sound wave. I have seen that result happening. For example, if you want to throw a stone on a tree, you will just create an exact sound. And that sound wave will be so powerful, it will reach the tree and the fruit will fall. He will take, if you want to break a stone, he will take that stone in the hand and create a sound wave as if it is hit by a hammer. That sound wave will be so strong, the stone will be into pieces. Sometime he will create a sound wave like a dog. All 40-50 dogs in that area, some 2-3 kilometers, will come running towards him. These yogis, they master different powers. They live in a different zone. They express different kinds of energy. So here, when you are in that restful awareness, then happens total understanding and limitlessness. Swarupe Vasthanam.
Paramahamsa Nityananda conducts Inner Awakening, a 21-day enlightenment intensive course, and Life Bliss Engineering, a 3-month course for having a yogic body and Vedic mind. Call 919731257960, 919742203311,